Inspiring March quotes to energize your whiteboard wall. March is all about momentum, renewal, and fresh beginnings. Let's bring that energy to your space, one powerful quote at a time. The magic of March. Capture March's magic with quotes that reflect growth and possibility. March brings breezes loud and shrill, stirs the dancing daffodil. Sarah Coleridge. March is an example of how beautiful new beginnings can be. Anamika Mishra. Let's celebrate Women's History Month. If they don't give you a seat at the table, bring a folding chair. Shirley Chisholm. Do not wait for leaders, do it alone, person to person. Mother Teresa. Make your own luck. I say luck is when an opportunity comes along and you're prepared for it. Denzel Washington. Luck is not chance, it's toil. Fortune's expensive smile is earned. Emily Dickinson. Make March unforgettable. Grab your markers, fill your walls, and let your inspiration lead the way. Which quote will you write first? Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or just visit us at remarkablecoding.com.